Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1979 to discover bacon and tomato dip. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you today. This is a quick easy dip that is just delicious, involves bacon, really important, and comes together in minutes. So first, this is number, I think, 5 in our Halloween series. Happy Halloween, everyone. So this dip is just fabulous. It's super easy, put out for a party. It's really great any time of the year. So the first thing we're gonna do with this bacon and tomato dip is we have 3 small tomatoes that have been quartered and also the skins removed. How do you skin a tomato, you ask? Watch this. To really easy peel a tomato, I have simmering water, and for each tomato, I cut an X at the bottom of the tomato. Now I'm going to take my 3 tomatoes and lower them gently into simmering water, and you're just going to simmer them for about 15 to 20 seconds. Don't leave the pot. You want to watch until the skin starts to shrivel away, and we'll be right back when that happens. So as you can see, the skin's already coming away. Now you want to stop the cooking immediately, or else you're going to have cooked tomatoes. So we're going to take these and put them in an ice bath. Okay, so here's our ice water, and in go our tomatoes, and you just want them to sit until the tomatoes come back to room temperature. Okay, and so here's our tomatoes. So you can tell they're pretty much peeling for you at this point. So now you're just going to kind of gently, I'm trying to do this one-handed here. You're just going to gently remove the skin. And the ice water is definitely to stop the cooking process. So now you have raw, peeled, beautiful tomatoes. Okay, see, easy. So here we have our food processor, and all of our tomatoes are gonna go right inside. And the next thing we're gonna add is 3 teaspoons of Dijon. If you don't have Dijon and you prefer another kind of mustard, feel free to use it. Actually, the original recipe did not specify what kind of mustard. I just think this one works the best for this dip. And the next thing is an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Because what dip would be fabulous, wouldn't be fabulous with cream cheese. Okay, and then we're gonna add just a little, well, if you like it spicy, you know I like it spicy, but all depending on how much Tabasco you like, put it in there. We're gonna put it on, and we're just gonna process this until it's smooth. Okay, that's exactly where we want it right now. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we have 1.5 cups of blanched almonds. Now you can buy these things just like that, ready to go. 1.5 cups equals 6 ounces. So there's actually, just like this, 6-ounce packages that, well, I bought at the market, so I'm assuming they're pretty available. If not, and you wanna blanch your own almonds because you don't want the skins on for this particular dip, I will just give you a little directions down below, and it's really super easy. But I've got them, I'm ready to go, and in go our almonds. The next thing we need is 3 tablespoons of chopped green onions. They don't have to be chopped very well because the food processor is gonna do the work. And the last thing we want, 9 slices, whoops, dropped one. Okay, 8.5 slices, use 9, of very crispy bacon. And in it goes. And then we're just gonna take this and process it and get all of this all happy and together. Alrighty. Now everything is all smooth. I will tell you that the original recipe did not include salt because bacon is salty, but you may want to taste it and check for salt and add a little bit if you feel it necessary. So now this dip has to chill for a while because you want all those flavors to get happy and party together, and it's worth it. So it's gonna go in the fridge for at least a couple hours, and you can actually refrigerate this up to 2 days. So by the time your party comes, all you have to do is take it out of the fridge. So we're gonna get it in the fridge, we're gonna let it chill, and we will be back, and it's gonna be all super pretty and ready for our party. Take a look at this. Is this gorgeous? So I actually put bacon on top of my dip just so your guests know what is in the dip, and it just makes it even cuter, and come on, how do you go wrong with bacon? This will definitely make your guests happy, and it'll make your life so much easier because it'll already be made. Thanks for stopping by. You can share your recipes or make requests by joining my Facebook group. Have you made one of my dishes? I would love to see it. Tag me on Instagram. Happy Halloween.